Good day everyone and welcome to today's webinar on Inventor 2D Interoperability. My name is Harry and I'm an applications engineer at Modena OneSolve. Let's begin. On the agenda we'll have an introduction to Inventor. Next we'll have a look at the interoperability with any CAD technology. And lastly we'll go through the different ways of utilizing your 2D drawings with Inventor.
Autodesk Inventor is a complete design and engineering solution, helping you and your teams stay connected from design to manufacturing. Inventor provides you with a stable and responsive environment as you create large assemblies and complex product designs. Whether you are designing industrial machines, complete production systems, or custom fabricated designs for BIM, Inventor delivers the tools needed to get your projects to production faster. Inventor has a complete set of tools to speed up your modeling process, from sheet metal, welded frames, tube and pipe, electromechanical, mold tools, and direct access to a robust content library and engineering calculators. Shave days off your projects by rapidly configuring products and minimizing repetitive tasks using iLogic design automation technology. Facilitate faster collaboration among teams and vendors by using a secure cloud-based design review tool that protects your intellectual property. Connect directly with AutoCAD for your product design and manufacturing workflows. And if you subscribe to the collection, you will also get integrated tools for advanced simulation, CAM, factory planning, and high-end visualization. Regardless of what you make, be it rockets for aerospace, high-performance boats, or high-efficiency air compressors. All over the world, our customers depend on Inventor as their complete design and engineering solution. Accelerate your product development today with Autodesk Inventor.
Working with non-native CAD data, whether you are in a multi-CAD environment or receive design files, it is common in nearly every design environment. This is why Autodesk Inventor continues to work with tools like SolidWorks and also has the ability to translate, import and export for Katia, JT, Parasolids and Rhino. Expanded translation connections allow you to utilize CAD files from virtually any source. This enables you to create designs without having to worry where you get your data from. Additionally, Inventor connects to Fusion 360 for generative design workflows. You can reference the Fusion 360 files and eliminate the need to import and export. With the PDMC entitlement, users can access generative design inside of Fusion 360 to explore the best solution based on the design requirements. Associative connections to Fusion 360 Team and AnyCAD creates a link directly to the generative design component. If you need to make changes to your component in Fusion 360, you won't need to waste time rearranging your Inventor designs. Instead, a change made anywhere updates everywhere. Keep your assemblies up to date with a single click while preserving your work. This is Autodesk Inventor with AnyCAD technology. You can save time by using existing AutoCAD 2D drawings in a 3D design environment. Inventor delivers industry-leading integration of 2D and 3D design through direct read and write of DWG with full associativity to the 3D design data, creating no risk for inaccurate translations. You can gain access to existing DWG design data without installing or learning AutoCAD software. All you need to do is open AutoCAD drawings directly in Inventor to view, plot and measure. Or you can incorporate the existing 2D design data into 3D designs using the copy and paste tools. You can update all the product lines with 3D workflows, even if the original drawings were done in AutoCAD. With the Autodesk Inventor software, you can accomplish the redesign in 3D, generate drawing views, and then insert your new views to your existing AutoCAD drawings. You can also reduce time required to produce drawings that comply with the drawing standards of customers or partners. All you need to do is open a DWG file, and Inventor automatically creates layers, dimension, and text styles based on the AutoCAD styles of the DWG file. You can also save the Inventor files in DWG format so suppliers or clients can use their AutoCAD software to view, plot, and measure the released designs. Alright, so here I'll be showing you guys a bit of an example of how to import or copy a few of your 2D CAD drawings into Inventor. And firstly, we're just going to copy this channel profile. I'm going to select it all and use Ctrl C, or you can actually go and right click, go to your clipboard and select copy. And we're going to go over to our Inventor, create a new drawing. And let's just wait for it to load. Open up a new sketch. And then Ctrl V. Or you can use the paste option. From there you can right click and use your paste options. This will open up a paste options dialog. You can then go and choose your specified units. Let's say if it was in inches, you can change it back to millimeters, but in this case it is millimeters. As you can see, you have your different options. So let's just leave it like that. And lots of power drawing. Just give it a moment to load, and there we have our profile. From here we can go and finish the sketch, and then to show you that it is working, we're going to extrude this by 100. Alright, so that's one way. Another way we can do it is we can go and use our open option. Select the DWG file, and you will see the options button at the bottom. We have two options, which is open and import. We're just going to use the open option for now. Open that up, and as you can see, here is our profile. There's not much you can do with it, but let's say if it wasn't really visible, you can go and change the background color. If I go and change it to white, it's actually a bit more clear, and we can go and change it back. I like the color gray, and let's keep it like that. Alright, so you can go and copy that, but just so you know, there's not really much you can do on the screen. You have your few options here at the top, and as you can see, nothing else is available. Alright, so we're going to open a new pod, create our sketch, and use the Ctrl V, and there we have our profile. Finish that up and extrude by 100, so that works as well. Right, so back into our CAD file, we're going to need to close this up, save it for our next option, go back to Inventor, and let's say delete that dot there, open up our import option. As you can see, it's a DWG file wizard. We can just go click on next. This will bring up a preview with your different layers and your background colors. From here we'll see a few options. Import file units like seen before. We can set our destination. I'm going to use the new part and use project-wise to 2G sketch. You can also go and change your templates if you like to keep your units what you prefer. Just gonna delete this def point, and there we have our profile. Let's say from here, let's extrude it by 100. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but that actually was 99.99, so it did go off by a bit. Alright, and then we went over to our new part, go into our manage tab, select import, and there we have a few options for file types. CATIA, JT, Parasolid, like we mentioned before, and we can open it, select our face, and there we have a dialog, and another one just telling us that we actually need to use the DWG geometry command when projecting to get the associativity going. And let's go and save it first. Save it as, not sure why we need to log into Vault every time. Let's ignore that. I'm just gonna call it new, let's say, channel. Save it like that, and then we can go and do our sketch. This is a bit off, but it's okay. We'll use that plane and go to our profile. At the project geometry, you can go drop down and select the project DWG geometry to keep that associativity. And from there, we can go and finish sketch. Go to our profile. And this is the fun part, you can go and extrude that by 100. And let's see, at the back here we have the rest of the drawing still visible. You can go and disable the visibility, and that's our part. And then let's have a look at the save DWG file. Let's open that up. As soon as we open it, we can go, as you can see it's 100 right now, and we're going to stretch that, let's say, to 120. We're going to hit save, and the Vault, just ignore that. We are going to, let's just check this, go back and save it. And now you can see you have this update, local update. And as soon as we click on that, there's automatically updates on the side. And that is Inventor 2D with interoperability. Thanks for watching, guys.